Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 251 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about finding ease through the breath. Nothing to change, nothing to fix, simply breathing and letting yourself soften. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice your shoulders. Let them drop just a little. Feel your body resting here. Now, say softly to yourself, I allow ease into this moment. My breath carries calm, and I soften into peace. Breathe gently, letting these words sink in. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of ease with you into your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.